This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Install Google Opinion rewards and sign in with the Google account you actively use. Make sure to grant location and notification permissions so surveys target you accurately. Once done, confirm your Google Payments profile and country match. That determines reward availability and payout options. If you already use Google Pay, link the same account to speed claims. Now you're set to receive targeted surveys instead of wasting time on general settings. You should check the app daily and answer surveys promptly. Quick replies increase completion success and keep your account active. Visit different public places and use apps that reflect varied interests so location and behavior-triggered surveys appear more often. Also, keep search and shopping activity consistent with your profile. Google matches surveys to recent activity. Make sure to complete short surveys fully. Partial answers can disqualify you. Consistency and timely responses are how you steadily accumulate credit. When you have balance, redeem it to your linked Google Play or Payments profile. Payouts depend on country and minimum balance rules. Double-check payout settings and the payment method on file if a transfer fails, and update country only if you legitimately moved. If expected rewards don't appear, review recent survey history and account activity. Screenshot issues and contact Google support through the app. A single troubleshooting note: clear app cache and re-sign in before escalating. This often restores missing credits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.